seeing mostly warm conditions today across the valley. Those temperatures once again remaining on the warm side for this afternoon. Here's a live look from South Texas College in McAllen with those temperatures at 75 degrees, that dew point at 67 with south-southeast winds at 17 miles an hour. As we look at those wind speeds, we are seeing those winds out of the south between 22, 21 miles an hour, so a bit on the breezy side for today. But as we look at the rest of Texas, the entire state bracing for another winter storm. You're seeing those winter weather alerts stretching from San Antonio to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, just to the northwest of the Houston area, as some of this precipitation is already switching over to wintry precipitation along the I-20 corridor in and around the Abilene area, and widespread snow falling across the Texas Panhandle. The good news is that most of this wintry precipitation is going to remain well to the north of the valley, but we're going to have to worry about those dangerously cold wind chills that are coming. As we look at the next 24 to 48 hours, we are expecting that cold front to arrive early tomorrow morning, bringing some light showers with that, and we're going to see those breezy conditions continue as we head into Thursday afternoon with some of that wintry weather from central Texas to north Texas there as we head into the next 48 hours. The main thing, if you are traveling outside of the valley for this weekend, you want to keep in mind that we are going to see some very cold temperatures as well as some ice accumulations. This is the future ice accumulations that are expected across the entire state as we head into Friday morning there. We could see some more heavy to extreme ice accumulations from San Antonio to Austin to Dallas. So a large portion of Texas stretching as far west as just to the east of El Paso and around the Houston area could be dealing with some ice accumulations. Therefore, all of those roadways, those elevated bridges and overpasses are going to be fairly hazardous to drive on as we head into Friday morning. And we could see some minor areas in our rural northern areas here in the valley. But like I said, a very low chance for that wintry weather, that wintry precip here across the Rio Grande Valley. What we're going to have to be concerned about is those dangerously cold wind chills. Future clouds and radar does show some isolated showers here and there as we head into the overnight hours. We are going to start seeing that increase heading into Thursday morning ahead of that cold front. And then once that cold front arrives, we're going to be mostly cloudy, very breezy, and temperatures are going to be falling throughout the day. We could see some lingering showers into the early morning hours on Friday. And that's just going to be for our extreme northern areas and western areas. So this line of showers here that you see on your screen could be falling when it's about or in and around the freezing mark. And so we're going to have to keep that in mind, that there is a low chance that we could see some of this freezing, very minor ice accumulations come into the northern portions of the valley. Other than that, areas from McAllen, Harlingen, Brownsville, South Padre Island remaining on the mostly just cold side as we head into the next 24 to 48 hours there. As we look at future temperatures, overnight lows dropping into the 50s and 40s. We're going to be struggling to get out of the 40s tomorrow afternoon with temperatures getting to about the freezing mark as we head into early Friday morning. So as we look at those wind chills, this is where we're going to see those dangerously cold conditions. Future wind chills, we're going to continue to see breezy conditions, and so we're going to have those wind chills in the 20s as we head into early Friday morning. So definitely bundle up and prepare for some cold weather. Protect those people, pipes, pets, and plants there as we head into the next 24 to 48 hours, even though we're dealing with warm weather today. Don't wait until it's too late. Do your preparations now. 7-day forecast, highs topping out in the 80s for today. Cold front arriving tomorrow, overnight lows in the 30s, and then remaining chilly through next weekend.